So in this question, it wants us to work out the area of this shape. Now, I'm going to split this up into three shapes, the two triangles and the rectangle. Work out the area of each of them and then add them up. Now, we just need to fill in some missing details. We've got 25 centimeters of the base of triangle B. Well, that is also the same for triangle A. So triangle A and B are actually the same size triangle. So let's work out the area of the triangles. That's going to be a half times base times height. I put my numbers in. That's a half times 25 times the height, 60, and that gets 750 centimeters squared. Now let's work out the area of the rectangle, and that's just length times breadth, or breadth times length, and that's going to be 130 times 60. 130 times 60 is 7,800 centimeters squared. So the total area is going to be 7,800 plus two lots of 750. And that gives me a total of 9,300 centimeters squared.